Everyone knows that you're supposed to brush your teeth twice a day and floss once a day. But too many people think that this is going to be the solution to fix all their problems. I've seen a lot of people that took a couple years off from coming to the dentist and they think that everything should be fine because they took great care of their teeth at home. But there's some things that brushing and flossing alone won't fix. If your gums bleed when you brush or floss, that's not normal, and that usually means that there's some form of gum disease going on. But if you keep up with the brushing and flossing, this bleeding should go down because the more you clean that area out, the less inflammation that's going to be there, and therefore the less bleeding that's going to be there. But there's some things that you just can't clean away with just brushing and flossing. Brushing and flossing is a great way to remove plaque from your teeth. Plaque is basically just clusters of bacteria that build up on your teeth. The good news is that this is removable at home because these clusters of bacteria are pretty loose and they're pretty soft. But over time, the minerals in your saliva get incorporated with this plaque, and as it gets mineralized, this plaque gets harder. And now instead of being called plaque, it's called calculus or tartar. Now tartar is very hard and it's very stuck to your teeth. This makes it basically impossible to remove at home with just a toothbrush and floss. And as this builds up more and more, it can cause more inflammation and it can cause gum disease. Now the only way to remove this tartar is to get a professional dental cleaning. Your dentists and hygienists have special tools that can remove this tartar during the cleaning. But if you avoid this cleaning, then it's only going to get worse, and that tartar is going to build up more and more, and that gum disease is only going to get worse. Eventually that tartar can find its way underneath your gums. Once this tartar gets underneath your gums and starts causing inflammation there, now it's not just affecting your gums, it can also affect the bones that surround your teeth as well. This causes bone loss, it can cause deep pockets to form around your teeth, and it makes your teeth looser since there's less bone holding it in place, and it can even make your teeth fall out. Now this is irreversible. There's no way to get back the bone that you've lost. All you can do is maintain it and stop it from getting worse. Once this happens, you have to get a deep cleaning to clean off all that tartar that's underneath your gums and stop that inflammation. Now don't get me wrong, flossing and brushing are very important, and it can definitely keep your teeth and your gums clean. But without those dental visits to remove that tartar, you're just delaying the inevitable of gum disease and potential periodontal disease. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked that video. If you haven't already, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you in the next video.